Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hopefully fine. Okay, I am Farah Daud, your science teacher. Dear students, from today, as you all know, your online classes have been started, and I am here to tell you about the characteristics of living things and the basic needs of living things. This is your first unit of science. Okay, as you all know that the things which can breathe, grow and move are living things. And I am going to show you some living things. You can see different kinds of animals and plants and flowers and the different these all things are called living things. In this picture you can see different kinds of living things. On our whole universe we can find life in only on earth. It is just because that all the conditions and materials required for the life of living thing are present on our earth. The main basic needs to live and survive are food, the food which we eat, the food which the living things and the animals, the plants need to grow and to gain the energy. So we all need food. Side by side, the animals and the plants both as well required the water, right? Okay, then the main source for getting energy is also sunlight and air, by which we absorb oxygen and plants absorb carbon dioxide. These are the basic needs by which all the living things can live by these basic needs. Okay, now after the basic needs we have to discuss about the characteristics of living things, right? Okay, I am going to tell you some basic characteristics of all the living things including the animals, the human beings and the plants. Okay, the first main characteristic is growth. Many physical changes occur in animals and plants during the procedure of growth. Like you can see, the baby turns to the small kid turns into toddler, and toddler turns into a boy and man, and all these changes are called growth. The second main thing is movement and locomotion. Animals move from place to place with the help of their body parts, and this is called locomotion. Like in this picture, the dog is running, and by moving its feet and by the help of its energy, and this whole procedure, this running procedure is called locomotion of an animal, right? Now the plants only move by swinging in the air. Like if we see, this is the plant, and the plant is moving and opening their leaves, closing and opening of leaves are their movement. This is the movement of the plant, shows that how the plant is capturing their food. Like you can see, the leaves are open to capture the insect, and in the second part of the picture the leaves close its mouth because it has been captured, the insect has been captured in this movement. Okay, the third main thing is reproduction. All the living things have an ability to reproduce young ones of their own types. Like See, in this picture, mama and baba, mother and father, both have their baby. Like hen lays eggs, and then from the eggs, chicks came out. Okay, the fish lays egg and snail fish comes out from the eggs. Like this is the procedure which we call reproduction. The fourth one is heredity. Okay, the heredity is passing of trails, that is their simple properties from parents to their next generation. Similarities or similar characters are transferred from parents to their young ones. This is called heredity. Now see, this is the picture of a mother and father with their young daughter. See, the young daughter ears are similar like her father. Her eyes are similar like her mother. Side by side, her ears are similar like her mother. So this is called heredity. See the picture of a cock. The cock have their chicks in beside the chicks are just similar to their father. So this is a picture of a dog, and the puppy is sitting just beside the dog, and the puppy is just like her mother. So this is the similarities, this is the characteristics of inheritance or heredity. This property is called heredity. Okay, students, in the initial classes I have given you your May task, right? Your May task in your video class. Have you done your May class work, May task work? Have you? Okay, now I am going to tell you how to attempt, because we have already done question number 1 and question number 2 in our May task, and I have told you about question number 1 and 2. Now I am going to tell you question number 3, 4 and 5, that how you can attempt these questions. This is the picture of question number 3, which you have to be write by your blue marker. Enlist 4 characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things, you should write the heading first, and this is the answer. Following are the 4 characteristics of living thing. Number 1 is growth, number 2 is movement, number 3 is reproduction, and number 4 is heredity. Now you have to draw the ending line on this page. Now come to question number 4. Write the importance of water for living things. These are the general questions. Importance of water. Water helps to carry out life activities in the bodies of living organisms. Therefore, water is important for life. This is the answer of your 4th question. Ending line, you should draw the ending line after writing the answer of question number 4. Now, question number 5, write any 3 healthy and unhealthy food. Healthy food, milk, you know all, milk is very healthy for our healthy drink for our health. Fish and then fruits. Unhealthy food, first you have to write down the heading of healthy food, then write milk, fish and fruit number wise, then write down the heading of unhealthy food. This is number 1 pizza, number 2 fizzy drinks, number 3 candies. Okay, so dear students, this is the summarized points of your today's video class. I hope you all have clear about these points. So if you want to see the complete answers and complete pictures of these questions, So in your class group, your class teacher has also shared all the question answers in your class group. You can copy the question answers from your class group also. So okay, Allah Hafiz till the new class. In the second class, I will tell you about the life cycles of human beings and life cycles of animals also, living things. I will discuss the living life cycles of living things also. So till the second class, Allah Hafiz.